This 2024 Grand Design Momentum M Class 395 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 45 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 9, external shower, skylight, microwave, stove-top burner, awning, refrigerator, water heater, spare tire kit, oven, air conditioning, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum M Class 395 Mega Siemens is 15,600 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.